my name is Sandy Carter, and I'm IBM's General Manager of Ecosystem Development and Social Business Evangelist. And welcome to our Social Business Coffee Break. Today I'm going to talk to you about a breadth of subjects, one of which is skills and social, but overall, just about the skills shortage that we have from our top tech trends that are out there. Now, IBM does a study every year, and we look at different subjects, and this time we looked at tech trends, and we really focused in on the skills that are needed to be successful. We all know that out there today there is a war for talent. So this year we really took a look at what is the skill gap, especially across four major areas: business analytics, cloud, mobile, and social. We wanted to understand what are the barriers to change and what does the skill availability look like. Do you know that from the study we found that 93% of both IT and business leaders see a great skill gap that exists out there today? So if you're struggling to find skills, you're definitely not alone. Only 1 in 10 enterprises said that they have all the skills that they need. 25% reported major skill gaps. And 45% of students and educators said that they can't meet the demand for the skills that are out there. So given there are insufficient skills ready out there to implement that target technology, what's going to change this world and what do we need to do? Well, if you take a look at a little bit more of the study, one of the things that we're looking at is how to increase investment in certain areas. And this is something for you to take back as an action. If you think about gaps where we have deployment today, you can see that business analytics has a gap, mobile has a gap, cloud has a gap, and social has a gap. But if you look at the adoption status, business analytics today has 31% limited deployment with 23% significant. So it has the largest gap out there today. So I guess one of the things that I would ask you is, what are you doing around your business analytics skills? If you're in social, you know that social is very valuable, but it becomes extremely valuable when you apply analytics to it. Mobile technology, we've discussed many times that mobile is the new frontier, and seeing gaps in mobile and the way that you develop, question I would ask is, what are you doing with the API economy? How can you leverage that focus on web services and APIs to drive more skills for you? And finally, we're also seeing gaps in social business. Whereas we're seeing limited deployment in certain areas, the gap for social is growing as well. And there you need to really combine both business and IT skills. So I wanted you to know that IBM has a really strong initiative with academic community, and we go out there and seed classes and courses in these four key areas. So you as companies have access to those skills moving forward. But I would challenge each of you to determine what your company is doing, your chief learning officer, your IT department, your business leaders, to help fill the gaps in these four critical areas. My name is Sandy Carter, and this has been our Social Business Coffee Break.